Hey guys, I'm Emma Ryan, Integrative Nutrition Health Coach and founder and owner of Plant. Today we're talking baking pantry staples. So you probably already saw our video on our pantry staples, but now we're talking about baking specifically. So gluten-free vegan baking can be very intimidating if you're just now starting. So these are a few things that I personally always keep on hand that I thought you might want to see. Of course, you could go above and beyond this, but these are just going to be your staples that you always want to have on hand just in case you're laying in bed one night and decide you need to make chocolate chip cookies or something like that. You would at least be able to put something together with these ingredients. So, number one, we have local honey. And this one, as you might realize, was also included on our pantry staples. So you're going to have a few things that'll overlap. But local honey, it's a great natural sweetener. So that's this one right here. We also have a maple. So this is an organic amber maple syrup. You can do any grade of maple you want. I recommend a darker grade if you can. Baking soda, of course. Vanilla extract, date syrup. This is probably one of my newest obsessions. I love using date syrup. It lowers the sugar count, but it's also a really nice sweetener. Enjoy Life mini chocolate chips. I've been using this brand of chocolate chips for years. We're not sponsored, but they are really, really good. They're allergen free. So they have mini chips, they have chocolate chunks, they've got all different sizes, but that's a great product. Coconut sugar, this is another really good one for baking. It'll be healthier than a white sugar or a cane sugar would be. We have whole oats, so you could do, different oatmeal cookies, things like that, but you could also turn this into oat flour. We have cashews and almonds, and again, these are going to turn into flours most of the time. If you haven't already, watch our how to make your own flour video, and that will make sense. And then I also have my cinnamon powder shaker bottle right here. So these are going to be some of the staples. Oh, I missed a few. So we have almond butter, of course, almond butter brownies. Who wouldn't love them? I have tahini. We started making tahini cookies at Plant, and I'm loving them. So it's a really good option. We also have coconut oil. This is going to be a good one. We also have applesauce. So applesauce is going to help us reduce oil in some recipes. So that's a really good one for baking. I use that in most of my muffin recipes. And then I also have ground flaxseed. This is going to help you replace eggs. So you can turn ground flax seeds with water. You can combine the two of them and turn it into like a gel-like consistency, which will replace eggs when you're baking. So these are my baking pantry staple recommendations. So if you have these things, I promise you'll be able to throw something together when you have a craving for a sweet treat, and you'll already have most of the ingredients for most of the baking recipes we're putting on YouTube. So I hope this helps. Please be sure to comment below. Let me know what you think. Let me know what questions you have. Subscribe, and I will see you next time.